You have probably seen those Ghibli-style images trending all over social media lately. While they look amazing, they are not always the best fit for POD products. That's why I've spent many hours testing GPT-4o to discover the absolute best design styles that not only look incredible, but actually sell on platforms like Merch by Amazon, Etsy, and Redbubble. And I have narrowed it down to these 7 proven styles that consistently outperform everything else for print on demand. So in today's video, I'm breaking down 7 proven design styles that are great for print on demand, showing you the exact prompts I used and explaining why each style works for different POD niches. So let's dive in. First up, we have what I call the Merch by Amazon style. This is a clean commercial approach that really pops in thumbnails. Notice the bold colors, clear themes, and high contrast visuals in this monkey summer design. So when creating designs for Merch by Amazon, remember that your design needs to be instantly recognizable at thumbnail size. The prompt I used emphasizes print readiness, easy to read fonts, and trend alignment. And you can also watch my previous video to learn more about the style in specific. Second, the anime style. So let's look at the anime style illustration. This style has exploded in popularity across all POD platforms. Look at the expressive eyes, detailed composition, and dramatic lighting elements. The key features that make this work for POD are the vibrant colors and strong emotional appeal. Anime has a dedicated global fan base willing to purchase merchandise. So when crafting your prompt, emphasize action poses, cell shading, and character expressiveness for best results. Moving on to the hand-drawn vintage style, this retro screen printed look captures nostalgia that customers love. It's trending these days on Etsy and it generates lots of sales. Notice the half-tone texture, limited color palette, and the distressed elements that give it that authentic vintage feel. This style works brilliantly for POD because it creates perceived value. Customers feel like they're getting something unique. The prompt focuses on bold hand-drawn lines and deliberate color limitations. So this style performs especially well in niches related to outdoor activities, motorcycles, and retro themes. The kawaii style is absolutely dominating certain POD niches right now. Look at these round shapes, big sparkling eyes, and soft pastel colors that create an irresistibly cute aesthetic. This style converts exceptionally well among younger audiences and those drawn to Japanese pop culture. My prompt emphasizes playful elements like hearts and stars. The universal appeal of cute makes this style a consistent seller across multiple products categories. The vintage sunset style combines retro appeal with modern minimalist. Notice the horizontal stripes in fading warm colors, creating that classic sunset backdrop. So this aesthetic has been trending strongly on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble. The prompt focuses on distressed textures and silhouette that work well across different product types. This style has impressive staying power because it balances nostalgia with contemporary design sensibilities, a sweet spot for POD sales. Now let's check out the sticker style. Notice the clean vector shapes that makes this design pop. It's very close to the Merch by Amazon design that was mentioned earlier. This style works exceptionally well for POD because it creates visual interest on plain garments and translates perfectly across product types. This prompt emphasizes bright, flat colors and clean outlines. Finally, we have the Japanese traditional art style inspired by ukiyo. Finally, we have this Japanese traditional art style. This style targets a more discerning customer seeking unique, culturally rich designs. The prompt references traditional elements like waves or Mount Fuji. This style commands premium prices on POD platforms because it's perceived as artistic and distinctive. And there you have it, 7 powerful GPT-4o design styles that are proven to perform on print-on-demand platforms. Also, you still need to use other design tools and software to filter, vectorize, and refine these AI-generated designs and clean any faults and fix any problems that are created by these AI platforms. If you find this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more POD strategies that actually work. Drop a comment letting me know which style was your favorite or what other GPT-4o design techniques would you like me to cover next. Thanks for watching.